and get ready to break the ice.
Yeah, but in theory, we go down. Are we going back? Are we going back up the normal queue? Because otherwise, if you go down, you're going to come back up the same queue.
Yeah, I think. Tight now.
A bit more weight on me. My hip bones are hurting. That's literally smashing against my hip. Is that not smashing against your hip bones?
No, it's a bit tight.
You like literally wedge me in there, like, yeah, good so you don't fall it out, but that's literally hit my hips.